Hello everyone, we are going to discuss about probabilities and what are the contents we are going to discuss are introduction, what is probability and probability in mathematics and examples of real probability and summary. And introduction is on tossing a coin, the outcome will be either a head or a tail. The result is easily predictable. But what if you toss two coins at the same time? The result can be a combination of head and tail. In the latter case, the correct answer cannot be obtained. So only one can predict the possibility of a result. The prediction is known as probability. Probability is widely used in all sectors in daily life like sports, weather reports, blood samples, predicting the sex of the baby in the womb, congenital disability statistics, and many. In this topic, we will learn in detail about probability. And actually, what is probability? The likelihood of the occurrence of any event can be called a probability. The application of probability. Some of the applications of probability are predicting the outcome when you flipping a coin, choosing a card from the deck, throwing a dice, pulling a green candy from a bag of red candies, winning a lottery one in many millions. In probability in mathematics, Al Khalil, a Middle Eastern mathematician, wrote the book of cryptographic message, what demonstrated the first use of permutation and combination to list all the Arabic words with or without vowels. This was the earliest form of probability and statistics. Probability of a branch mathematics relating the numerical illustration of how likely an event can exist. The likelihood of any event to occur is this number between 0 and 1, where 0 indicates the impossibility of the event and 1 indicates certainty. And probability theory is widely used in the area of studies such as statistics, finance, gambling, artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer science, game theory, and philosophy. The formula to calculate probability is probability equal to event divided by outcomes. Examples of real life probabilities in weather planning. A probability forecast is an assessment to how, how likely an event can occur in terms of percentage and record the risk associated with weather. Meteorologists around the world use different instruments and tools to predict weather changes. They collect the weather forecast database from around the world to estimate the temperature changes and probable weather conditions for a particular hour, day, week, and month. Example is if there are 40% chances of raining, then the weather condition is such that 40 out of 100 days has rained. In sports strategies, in sports analysis are conducted with the help of probability to understand the strengths and weakness of a particular team or player. Analysts use probability and odds to foretell outcomes regarding the team's performance and members in the sports. Coaches use probability as a tool to determine in what areas their team is strong enough and in which all areas they have to work to attain victory. Trainers even use probability to gauge a capacity of a particular player in his team and when to allow him to play and against whom. Example is a cricket coach evaluates a player's batting and bowling capability by taking his average performance in previous matches before placing him in the lineup. And in insurance companies use the theory of probability or theoretical probability for framing a policy or completing a premium rate. The theory of probability is a statistical method used to predict the possibility of future outcomes. Example is issuing a health insurance for an alcoholic person is likely more expensive compared to the one issued to a healthy person. Statistical analysis shows high health risk for a regular alcoholic person. Insuring them is a great financial risk given a higher probability of a serious illness and hence filling a claim of premium money. And in games, blackjack, poker, gambling, all sports, board games, video games use probability to know how likely a team person can chances to win. Example of when two dice are rolled simultaneously, the outcome will be given below. It is 1 by 36. And in game theory is the study of mathematical representation of strategic relation among analytic outcomes. It has application in social science, logic, system science, and computer science in 1944. John von Neumann published a paper, Theory of Games and Economic Behavior. He proved Brouwer's fixed point theorem and continuous mapping into compact convex states, the standard game of theory method, and the application of probability in game theory. And the summary is probability plays a vital role in the day of daily life. In the weather forecast, sports and gaming strategies, buying, selling, insurance, online shopping and online game, and determining blood groups and analyzing political strategies. Thank you.